Excuse me, is there a hotel here?
Hotel?
Yeah.
No.
How about a restaurant?
Restaurant?
Yeah, because this is my first time in Bohol and I'm from Dubai.
Uh, far. At in Taglaran mini restaurant.
Alright, what is your name?
Jade.
Thank you, Jade. Layo, pataglaran, Jade.
Animal. Animal ka dyan. Bitaw.
Okay, lagi mo na Facebook?
Ha? Ay! Animal ka, vlogger siya. Sobrang nagkakuhin karoon yung
Kita na
vlogger.
anha.
Nakalimot ko, di mo puti kong cellphone.
Sinakita na ka, oh. Sige, sige.
Okay, salamat.
Bye-bye.